this video, we're going to be talking about why now is the perfect time to get started. Shalom, family, and welcome back to the Jess Business channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell for whenever I upload so you know what's up, and check out the new video. In this video, we're going to be talking about why now is the perfect time to get started and make your YouTube channel, your online business pop. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to be giving y'all new tools and all that and how y'all can do that and grow over time. Now, first, I would like to address, there was a couple comments that I got in my last video that I didn't really know what to make nothing out of it, you get what I mean? So I'm gonna just put it to you like this: go get your Bible, right? We had Ecclesiastes chapter 5 verse 1. I'm reading from my computer right here, so excuse me. Keep thy foot when thou goest to the house of God, and be more ready to hear than to give the sacrifice of fools, for they consider not that they do evil. Be not rash with thy mouth, and let not thine heart be hasty to utter anything before God. For God is in heaven, and thou upon earth. Therefore let thy words be few. For a dream cometh through the multitude of business, and a fool's voice is known by multitude of words. When thou vowest a vow unto God, defer not to pay it, for he hath no pleasure in fools. Pay that which thou hast vowed. Better is it that thou shouldest not vow than that thou shouldest vow and not pay. Suffer not thy mouth to cause thy flesh to sin, neither say thou before the angel that it was an error. Wherefore should God be angry at thy voice and destroy the work of thine hands? For in the multitude of dreams and many words there are also diverse vanities. But fear thou God. So, and it keeps going, but that's all I got to say about that. I serve the Most High, and I got to do what He want me to do before anybody else want me to do anything. You get what I'm saying? So you can play those games if you want. So why is it a good time to start making your online business right now? Because you in the house. You ain't going nowhere. You don't know when you're going somewhere, unless you're in a state that's opening up, and everything ain't opened up. So what you gotta understand is, we in the age of knowledge and creating opportunity for yourself. A lot of people that already did it and they winning, you get what I mean? But you ain't one of those people, or if you are one of those people, congratulations. You need to be showing somebody else how to do it, because you're already enabled. You get what I mean? So this what this channel is about, man. I want to empower y'all. I'm gonna be putting y'all on for real. Y'all don't even know. I'm already planning my next couple videos and stuff like that, you know? So it's like, your family, it's a lot of opportunities out here right now. It's a lot of opportunities, man. You wouldn't believe the kind of things that I be seeing on the internet every day, man. Like, man, one of the things that I'm doing right now is Forex education. And I'm going to be bringing that to y'all in the future and stuff like that too. I'm going to be also showing y'all things like how you could help people, help yourself build your channel and stuff like that. And listen, that's what this is about. It's about helping people. You could get a little kickback from those things. You get what I mean? You know, if you do it the right way and stuff like that. And you know, one of the things I heard in recent times is good judgment comes from experience, and experience comes from bad judgment. I almost lost it when I heard the person say, I'm gonna find his name and I'm gonna let y'all know. Very small individual, but at the end of the day, it's like, what's stopping you? You know, what's stopping you from taking control of your destiny, your future? You know, come what may. There's a lot of prophecies being fulfilled right now, but at the same time, it's like, is you just gonna sit there and roll over and accept defeat, or are you gonna become a frontliner? Are you gonna not let those things subject you to loss? Are you gonna be in the right place at the right time that the Most High puts you in? That's what you gotta ask yourself. Trust me, man. You know. That's why I came and I read this thing for y'all, and I'm glad the turn of events came the way that it came, so that y'all could really see, like, yo, this for real. This is for real. This for real. So at the end of the day, get into creating an opportunity for yourself today. You know what I mean? Definitely yesterday, right? So it's like, no matter what nobody say, because at the end of the day, I just read it for you. You don't even gotta talk. If you're in the right place at the right time, and you say, God, if you do this for me, and I'm gonna do this for you and all that, you better pay, because you still gonna pay. But you better pay. You ask God for something, He do it for you. You already know what you got to do. Bring people in His word. Bring people back to Him. Let thy words be few. I just read it for you, man. Don't ask for nothing that you don't know how to handle, or you don't want to deal with the repercussions of. Now, if you liked this video, if you received value from this video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell when I upload. And also, I'm gonna have a separate channel where I'm gonna be talking about Bible topics and stuff like that, things that I've researched extensively. And I want to bring it to y'all in another formality. And this channel might be monetized in the future and stuff like that, but that channel is going to be free. You know, Matthew chapter 10 verse 8 says, freely you receive, so freely you shall give. And that's what that channel is going to be about. You get what I mean? So, you know, faith building and knowledge and stuff like that, the things we wasn't taught, that's what it's going to be about. And yeah, I can't wait to see y'all there. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Hit that bell notification, man. Peace and shalom in your life. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Holla.